What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? How you guys doing today? We're with the wifey, my beautiful wife. Hello. How you doing?
Got chipmunk cheeks.
You got chipmunk cheeks. Sounds a little hot. It's been a while since she's ridden with me, so we're just gonna go for a little ride and, yeah, do just. Oh my god. Yeah, she climbs on like a monkey. Anyways, yeah, let's get this thing going. Oh boy. I'll go super slow so we get some wind here. Oh, it's not enough. It's not enough.
You know how we used to have that baby stroller fan?
Yes.
I need one for inside my jacket.
So they actually make these one. I haven't seen them in a long time. They clip on here on your jacket, right there, and they're little portable fans.
And they blow down the sleeves?
Yeah, they blow down your sleeves on hot days.
I want that.
Yeah, I seen them like once or twice a long time ago. But
I want that with ice cubes behind it.
With ice cubes behind it? Yeah. It's been a while since I've seen them, but I know they have made those. I don't know if they do it. Alright, so my plan is we're going to go up to Idyllwild area because it'll be cooler up there and just take our time and cruise. It'll be nice up there. For you guys watching, if you're asking about the audio, so the only way for me to record everyone's audio, her audio, my audio, is to use the Sena Backpack, which is why I'm actually using the Hero 4 camera instead of the 8. And then the Sena Backpack with the Sena headset, so it might not sound as clear as with the other headset, but this way you guys can hear what she's saying. I think they sell fruits here. That's another thing we should come try.
Why don't I have cash with me?
I have cash on me, but we don't have space. Avocados, honey, watermelons, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 9 to 5. See, we should come here, check out their watermelons.
We should start eating stuff with honey in it, and I guess the local honey is good for you because it helps build immunity to certain things in the air because you're eating from your local areas.
Oh, really?
Yep.
That makes complete sense. I didn't think of that. Oh.
It's gotta be 4 doors.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
That was a bug that just hit me in my face.
I'm so glad that you blocked mine.
I'm blocking for you.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm not gonna judge. I drive closer here. I do what to see them. It says, "Oh, they're pearl."
What?
Okay, now we can yell at them.
Yeah, they're going super slow.
That was not even a turn. I want to go hiking. I just wish we didn't have to do the whole drive to get to the hiking.
Why? It's not that bad of a drive.
It is when you're driving.
What?
You think that you're in Mario Kart or something.
This is not true.
Uh-huh.
Absolutely false accusations.
No. I don't know why it doesn't bother me so much when I'm on the motorcycle that it does when I'm in the car.
I don't know. There's a campers in a car. Like, what are they, like, are they just hanging out? Like, they're just like, we'll just stop here and have coffee. Probably. Windows are down. They're probably just chilling in there. Like, having lunch.
Maybe he just needed a minute.
That's cool, though, that you could do that.
Maybe the wife with me needed a minute because the person's for too much. I'm just saying, I'm proud of us as a community over here. The mountain hasn't been set on fire this summer.
The mountain hasn't been set on fire.
Now stop so I can go knock on some fruit.
I feel like you know what I feel like? I like the summer. It's nice to have some warm and no rain, and you know I've been enjoying the summer even though it's been hot. But I feel like if everything stays the way it is right now, being home for winter and not having to go to work, it's gonna be it's gonna be a different experience. Like to be able to
experience winter like me and be excited to use the fireplace.
Yeah.
And it's raining. It's nice.
Yeah, exactly. And I'll be home.
It's gonna be glaring at me.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be like, I gotta go to work in this rain and it's gonna suck. You know, I'll be able to be home and enjoy it, kind of. You know, because it seems that like it always rains when I have to go to work, but when I'm home, it doesn't rain. So it'll be kind of nice. I want one of those. I want one of those. Hey, the restaurant's open.
Going to open houses to get ideas for our house.
Hey, there's actually quite a bit open up here.
Yeah. I feel like everybody decides, let's go in masks. All kinds of cool masks.
Did you want to go in anywhere, or did you just want to stop, drink some water? I wish there was an ice cream place. See if you see an ice cream place. I'm totally down to get some ice cream. Ice cream. I was just gonna drive up this way. I think there's an ice cream place up here. See up here, I thought I saw ice cream. Ice cream.
Yep, ice cream and...
You down for ice cream?
Does it say ice cream and jerky?
It does. Is there parking there? Okay. Your asshole hurts?
No, my ass cheek, not my hole.
Okay.
Thank you.
I think it's working. That was retarded. Anyways, we're at an ice cream place up in Idyllwild, and I'm gonna get a
Shaved ice.
shaved ice. Shaved ice.
I just had a brain fart.
I had a brain fart. Did you see the brain fart?
I did. I said, oops.
Yeah. So we're gonna have a shave. I'm gonna have shaved ice. She's having ice cream. The bike is parked right there. Nice little ride. Definitely way cooler up here.
It's way cooler up here.
You know, we could
Not
leave.
as cool as I thought it was cool.
You know, we can leave the jackets on the bike. Yeah. She's gonna make me come back and get it now. I couldn't do both. Oh, that wind feels good. It's called Ice Cream and Jerky. Definitely an interesting place. I'd say one of the things I'm still getting used to is that, like, I don't go out with you guys that often. And so going out and doing things and having to wear a mask all the time, still gotta get used to that.
You haven't had your full-blown panic attack yet.
Yeah.
I feel like everybody's had a panic attack wearing a mask.
Yeah, see, I work from home, and she has to go to work, and she has to wear the mask at work. But since I work from home, I never have to wear the mask. She's got to wear it for 8 hours a day, so yeah. I'm over here like being all paranoid. My helmet's over there, and I just don't want someone to bump my bike. Not 6 feet apart. Exactly. It is what it is. We're wearing a mask. They're all wearing masks. That's a good thing. I really got pineapple, cherry, peach, ice slushy thing, ice crushed ice.
I got mint chip. You have to try them because they're handmade.
Yeah. So this place has like handmade ice cream and stuff. So we got up here.
Like oat ice cream. You can't have dairy. Like they have all kinds.
Oh, yeah. We were just riding up here, and then we were like, you know what sounds good is ice cream. So it's so much cooler up here. So I don't know. It's a nice little quick getaway. You need a nap. No nap for you.
I want the kiss.
Can I get a kiss?
Oh yeah.
Anyways, yeah, we're just waiting. I think I like mine. Are you happy? Excited? Hey, this is mine, not yours. Not yours.
We're married.
We're gonna try. She's not wrong, but this is mine. All right, I'm gonna enjoy this. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh yeah. I'll be back. That was like one of the best shaved ices I've had in a long time.
I think the only other one that comes close to it is a double heart.
Yeah, the shaved ice though. Oh, I want to come back for shaved ice.
The
Yeah,
ice cream was really good.
the ice one was pretty good. I just wanted to, it's been so warm, I felt like I needed ice. I needed something cold. It wasn't.
Ice
No.
every day.
I could. I do eat ice every day,
Yeah.
but I don't know. I would come back here. If you're up in Idyllwild, come get ice cream from this place. Ice cream and jerky, right? We haven't tried the jerky. We were gonna get some, but the boys are just gonna steal it. So, about to go ahead back down the mountain. You ready?
No, it's hot.
Yeah, it's so hot down there.
I don't even want to put a jacket on. Like, if we could ride with no jackets and be those people, it'd be fine. But then I'd be burnt.
Yeah.
That would be fine.
It's gonna get so hot going back down. It's such a perfect weather up here.
What is it?
I don't know.
77. It's beautiful.
I told you it was gonna be nice up here.
Yeah,
So,
it was really like, I think it was like 78, 77 in San Diego.
fuck with you.
And everybody was
Yeah. Yeah, right. It's super nice up here. Good. The views. You got the mountain up there.
See, I need one of those instead of freaking birds away from my lemon tree.
Oh yeah. All right, I gotta change the battery on the GoPro, the other GoPro, and then we'll take off. There's just something I wanted to add, and I didn't end up closing out the video because of this, but I wanted to talk about it, which is kind of interesting.
one of the things I was talking to my wife when we were out riding was like, we used to go out riding all the time, like all the time. We would go out when I first started riding, like we would go out and go to like a Starbucks, but we tried to find a Starbucks that was super far away, right? Or we go out to dinner and we go to new places, right? And try to just go on rides and dates, and we would just take the motorcycle because that was new and it was fun and it was amazing, and we would just go super far, you know, and make an adventure of it. And I was asking her, I'm like, you know, we don't do that anymore, and you know, I was kind of curious why she doesn't like riding as much. And so, because it's not like I haven't asked her, you know, I ask her all the time, hey, let's go for a ride, and she's just like, nah. And so I was trying to figure out like what the deal is. So we were talking about it, and her concern was like, if something happens while we're riding, both of us are on the bike, right? And so she was kind of concerned that, like, you know, what happens with the kids and that kind of thing. And you know, it makes sense. And I should be the one to think about this as well, and something that I should have thought of, but it's just something I don't think of, and that's just because I ride all the time. And I just wanted to bring that up. That was kind of an interesting fact and take on things. And I don't think she's wrong. At the same time, I don't think she's right. Like, she shouldn't not ride because she has these worries or whatever. So just an interesting take. So I'm curious what you guys are. If any of you guys watching, what would your take be on that? Like, how would you take that kind of situation, you know? So anyways, I just wanted to talk about that a little bit, throw that out, because I thought that was kind of interesting and something that really doesn't get talked about a lot in the riding community and in general, to be honest. Is like, you know, and to be honest, I have seen it. I have seen instances where, you know, a mom and a dad are out riding and something unfortunate happens. So it is a real legitimate thing. My beard feel like it's like opening up on me, but anyways, I do feel like it's a real legitimate concern. Whether or not I think that should stop you from enjoying the motorcycle, that I don't know. But I definitely thought it was worthy to bring it up here and talk about it, because we don't ride as much together like we used to. So something interesting. And if you're asking about the audio of this video, I don't remember if I actually covered it in the video while we were talking, but I might have. But in order to record both our conversations, I have to use a Sena, which isn't like the best audio quality compared to like using the Purple Panda mic. But in order to get the conversation, you know, I think it's worth it. And yeah, so with that said, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully I gave you guys something to think about. And yeah, until next time, whatever time this is, you're watching this, night, day, morning, evening, whatever time, hopefully you have a fantastic day. And peace.